living in a panic condition because of not knowing what and how to supervise the works at construction site? Then please listen to these site techniques tips which are to be followed by the engineers at construction site. This will remove your panic. Stage 2 supervision. During execution of the work of RCC structure wall of retaining wall. Tip number 7. Check and ensure that the cement concrete blocks are not broken while placing the reinforcement bars and laying the concrete, and if so, replace it. Tip number 8. Check and ensure that the weep holes material is kept in the required position as per the drawing and not disturbed while laying concrete. Tip number 9. Check and ensure that the concrete vibrator is used properly by a dedicated worker. Thanks for listening. We will meet in the next video.